Hello friends, today I will be talking about Bank Nifty option buying strategy. This is a trade once in a month strategy. So do watch the full video for your benefits and let's start. The strike price that we should trade and at what price will be known on the first day of monthly expiry just by analyzing the NSE data. You don't have to watch charts, indicators, news and world market. You should just follow the NSE data. In the year 2020, the total investment was 17,000. The total profit made using this strategy was 4,30,000 rupees. Amazing, right? All these things will be explained with proof in just few minutes. This chart which you are seeing now is of the months January and the year 2020. 31,600 put buy triggered at 670. The made high 1077. Profit booked at 943. So, to tell you in terms of rupees, the profit made in the month of January is 6,850 rupees by just using one lot. This is the chart of February's month. 30,000 put buy triggered at 755. Made high 807. Loss is booked at 0.05. Loss rupees 18,875 in just one lot. This is in the month of March, which is also called as COVID beginning month. 30,300 put buy triggered at 670. Made high 13,239. Profit is booked at 12,010. So, to tell you in terms of rupees, the profit made in the month of March is 2,83,000 by just using one lot. There is no trade in the month of April 2020. This chart is in the month May 2020. 20,500 put buy triggered at 1,023. Made high 3,449. Profit booked at 1,343 points. So, to tell you in terms of rupees, profit made in the month of May is 8,000. This is of the month June 2020. 20,000 call buy triggered at 984. Made high 2,431. Profit booked at 1,634. In terms of rupees, it is 16,250 rupees. There is no trade in the month of July 2020. August 2020. 22,500 call buy triggered at 1,019. Made high 1,210. Profit is booked at 1,111. In terms of rupees, it is 2,300 rupees. This is in the month of September 2020. 24,400 call buy triggered at 846. Made high 1,367. Loss is booked at 0. In terms of rupees, it is 21,150. As you can see over here, in the month of September, we have got two trades. The first trade went in loss. But here in the second trade, which is 22,800 put buy triggered at 849. Made high 2,359. Profit is booked at 2,318. So, to tell you in terms of rupees, the profit made in the second trade of September is 36,800 rupees. This is in the month of October 2020. 21,500 call buy triggered at 995. Made high 3,250. Profit was booked at 2,580 points. In terms of rupees, it is 39,600 rupees. This is of the month November 2020. 25,200 call buy triggered at 1,318. Made high 4,778. Profit was booked at 4,361. In terms of rupees, it is 80,600 by just using one lot. In the year 2020, the total trade we have got is 10. In that, 8 trades were in profit, only 2 went in loss. The total investment was 17,000. The total profit made using this strategy was 4,34,000. Amazing, right? This strategy is previous 5 years back tested one. So, it is a trusted one. So, my dear friends, if you want to learn this strategy will be taught to you in just 3 to 4 hours of duration, and this is a one-to-one conducted online class. To make good amount of profits using this strategy, you will have to learn this strategy by just paying 6,000 rupees only. So, if you are interested in learning this strategy, you can contact me on the displayed number. Reserve your training date and time. The one benefit of learning this strategy over here is you can learn this strategy in your own comfortable languages. So if you like this video, do give it a like. If you have any opinions or comments, feel free to use the comment box. Share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.